saying that it's me? Well, that's good. It's not me. Oh, hey, is it humans? Yeah, humans, right? Baby thinks humans can cause like... What is this?
I don't know, but I used to do that in the 70s.
I bet you did. Pogo! We're starting to talk about something, important, like pollution and habitat. Pogo, are you okay? Good. Start acting like it. Habitat loss. Misuse of chemicals. They're all out of control. Like this bird, apparently. I'm sorry, hold on. Pogo, will you look? Look.
Oh, that's awesome. You're so cute.
Will you listen to me? Now listen. People are starting to realize that all those things are getting out of control, but they're starting to do something about it. How about you tell everybody out there what you think about that? Yeah! Good news. Hey, I'm going to let you guys in on a secret. Pogo doesn't know exactly what I'm saying. He's just watching or listening for cues. See, if I want that yes, I can cross my hands. That's a good one. I want the no, I point at him. Very nice. If I want that do, flick my right wrist. Are you right? No, you got this one. There you go. And then if I roll my hand to the side, we get that.
What is that?
We don't know.
Oh.
But it really likes doing it. Look at it. Good job. Okay. All right, well, that was some...